What's up guys, welcome back to another video. So I originally did make a side flip tutorial, but it didn't do very well. Not many people saw it. So I'm going to make another one and try to be a little more in depth with it. But first I got to go clear all the snow off my trampoline. So if this helps you guys in any way, please be sure to subscribe. I'd really appreciate it and like the video. And yeah, I'm going to get right into it. So I really did plan to make the tutorial this day, but the trampoline was super icy. As you can see in this video, there's a bunch of ice spikes flying. So I didn't. I just did it 2 days later. And here's what the ending flip's going to look like, just a normal side flip from the trampoline. Really is a very simple flip, and if you follow this tutorial, you'll definitely be able to do it. And I also still have a bunch of leaves stuck on my trampoline from doing the 1 million leaves on my trampoline. Go check that video out. So the first thing you guys want to do is just get comfortable landing on your back from any height. The higher you get, the more comfortable you'll be doing the side flip. But the first actual step is just getting on your hands and knees and just rolling to your back. This will help you get the barrel roll feeling, which is the side flip. And slowly progress to bounce into it a little bit, and then this will help you create some air awareness and get a little rotation. The higher you get on this also, the easier the flip will be in the end. As you can see in these flips, I'm starting to tuck a little bit. Bring your arm down, around, and underneath your leg so that can help create rotation like that. And continually go over more and more until your leg is hitting the trampoline. And you can even do it quick like that just to get the feel of the rotation. Again, get as high as you can to feel comfortable going to your back, because this will help you create more spin then, and then land on your knees like this. And that's the next step. Just try to land on your knees, get around any way you can, and then eventually land on your hands and your feet, and then just send it to your feet. And those steps seem a bit rushed, but it really isn't that hard. And then you can do things like this, which might be easier for you to start, just landing on your back, mainly to get over the fear of the flip. And it might not work for most people, which it probably won't, but if it works for you, then I'd say definitely do it. And here's the final result. Also, you guys want any other tutorials on ground or on trampoline, let me know, although that might be my last video on the trampoline this year, because we're going to take it down. But I can still do ground tutorials, and I can have trampoline tutorials for next year. Also, since it is going to be harder to do flips from now on, I'm going to start a new series, which is going to be called Winter Series, where I'm just going to do things that I normally wouldn't do on my channel. So if you guys have any suggestions, just leave them in the comments. I was thinking maybe fingerboarding or even snowboarding. I really do whatever you guys want, so whatever you want to see, just leave in the comments. Like I said, subscribe if this helps, and we'll see you guys on the next one.